Hi friends, my name is Akshaya. Today I am going to describe the status of education sector in Telangana state. Education sector is a strong foundation for the human resources and economic development of a country. The 45th article of the Indian Constitution stated that states should facilitate free and compulsory education to the age group of 6 to 14 years children. In year 1993, according to 86th quantity 1 constitutional amendment, right to education is declared as a fundamental right under Article 21A. Telangana government introduced social welfare residential schools, model schools, initiation of midday meal program, etc. Literacy rates in Telangana on the basis of population census in the year 2011, the percentage of literacy in Telangana is 66.54. The percentage of rural and urban literates are 57 and 81. The literacy rate male is 75% and female is 58%. So that 17% literacy gap exists between male and female. The literacy rate of state averages are more than national averages. Among 33 districts of Telangana, in literacy rate, Hyderabad holds highest position with 83.25% and Jogulamba Gadwal district holds lowest position with 49.87%. So, simple information about education system. I'll come up with more videos like this. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching.